Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix battery drain issue on iPhone iOS 17.0.2. So how to fix this issue? I will request first of all you have subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not miss any steps. So fix this issue. First of all, you have enable low power mode on your iPhone. So you have low power mode can improve iOS 17.0.2 battery is enabled. So some background activities automatic update and certain visual effects on your iPhone will be restricted, but this method can effectively help you avoid battery running too fast on iOS 17. So to enable low power mode to save battery on iOS 17.0.2, and then you have go to the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on battery, and then you have enable low power mode. I have already low power mode is turned on. Then second solution, you have found out which app are running unusable battery on iPhone. So you have open the setting app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have scroll down and tap on again battery, and then look for the list of app under the battery usage section. Then you have check uh, if check how much battery each app has consumed in the last 24 hours. So if you notice any apps that have consumed a significant amount of battery compared to usual, they have maybe causes this issue. I have not use of 24 hours. Then you have check the some apps then is training issue on your iPhone. Then you will check and then you have delete from your iPhone. Then third solution, you have reset all setting. Again open the setting and click on general, and then scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset, and then click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, and then you have taken iPhone passcode, and then do not lose any data, photos or videos, only reset setting on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have update all app from App Store. Then you have must be open the App Store, and then you have click on App Store ID icon, then you have update all app from iPhone. Then last solution, you have restart iPhone, then you have scroll up, scroll down, and then volume, and then you have click on button, and then 5 to 10 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed and mobile is restart. And then hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.